So I think we really have to think about ways that we can operate more effectively, more streamlined, looking at cutting out waste from your business, being more resource efficient. And for us, Environment 4 really tells that story. You don't have to have that trade-off now between people, planet and profit. You can put that digital technology in place and be able to achieve all those objectives at the same time.
Taking that approach of Environment 4 rather than Industry 4 makes the topic a lot easier for people to understand, and they can relate to it in a more, robust way.
We can now show them demonstrations of real life case studies, which shows how, as Amy touched on there, it's not just about becoming more productive and getting more in the bottom line. It's about what those benefits mean to the environment as well. It's a two-way, it's a win-win, and they really love the concept. The challenge is getting them to go to that next step and to put it in practice in their own business. And there's different ways and means to get around that, but that is still a challenge amongst SMEs at the moment.